What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Mage Arena is having an issue with crashing, or it is not launching, won't launch, freezing, Unity crash error, not loading black screen on your PC if that is the issue that is happening, and how we can fix this app. So the first one, we need to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. Try running the game in the compatibility mode. So first we need to go over here in the Steam, navigate to the game, right click and go to manage, click on the browse local file. That is going to take you to this. Now from here you have to navigate to the game exe, select this right click and go to show more options, go to the properties, go to compatibility. You have to put a check on run this program in the compatibility mode, and also you have to put a check on run this program as an administrator, and also you have to put a check on disable full screen optimization as well. Now go for apply and go for OK, and you have to check that might work. Make sure, if that is the case, we have to move to the next one. That is all about verify the game file. This one I'll be demonstrating you at the last, so you don't have to worry. Make sure you have to select the right audio device and microphone, and you have to check with it. So just go over here on this over here at the bottom and find the speaker icon, right click and navigate to the sound settings. Now from here it is quite important that we have to select the right device from here. For the output, you have to select your speakers because that is the right one. Similarly, for the input, you have to select the right one. That is what's very important. So you have to select the right audio device as well as the right output device. Now, once done with this one, we have to move to the fourth step. That is all about we need to allow the Windows security users, allow the game exe file to the controller folder access. And also if you're using any third-party antiviruses like Comodo, Avast, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then you have to allow the game to the Windows security, Windows anti-security program as well. To do so, just go over here first. You have to go to the Windows security. You can search for the Windows security. Then you have to, once it's completely loaded up, go to the virus and protection. Now scroll down and navigate to manage setting. If you scroll down, you can see we have options over add or remove exclusion, or you have to protect the file. So just click on add or remove exclusion and go for yes. Now you have to add the key. So in my case, the Mage Arena is already added. So I have already added it. So if you check over here, you'll be able to find, as you can see, the Steam library / Steam apps common Mage Arena is already added. So if you don't know how to add, just click on add an exclusion. Now from here, you have to click on this one, go to the file, the game installation folder, navigate to this and select this one and you have to add it. So I have already added. Similarly, you have to go over here to the control panel, navigate to the Windows Defender Firewall, go to allow an app switch through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate. First you need to check whether the Mage Arena is added. So in some cases, the Mage Arena might be added. So you have to put a check on this particular box, private and public. So if you don't find it, just click on change setting and you have to navigate to the game installation folder and you have to add it. So next step is all about we need to perform a clean installation of the graphics card. So I'll be providing both link for the NVIDIA as well as to the AMD. So the NVIDIA users has to go over here on this particular page, that is for this one. And you have to find, if you're on the GeoForce, you have to find GeoForce. If you're on the GeoForce RTX, you have to select every details according to your PC's configuration and click on File. So what happens is if we bring the redirecting to the game installation, the latest updated graphics card will be showing over here. And from here, you have to find the latest versions of the graphics card. Now from here, you have to download this and you have to check that might work as well. Next one is all about what we need to do is after trying with this, you can also go to the AMD over here. If you're on the AMD, just go to the graphics. Now from here, go to RX and go to the 5000 series and go over here and submit. Then you will be getting the Windows 11 64-bit edition can be downloaded this one, and Windows 10 with 64-bit edition can be downloaded on this file. And also, you can also try installing the Microsoft Visual C++. That is also very important. So you can go over here. If the system is based on x64, download this one. If the system is based on x86, you can download this one and you can check. Next one is all about you have to go over here. You need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for the graphics settings. So you have to search here for the graphics settings and click on this one. And right now, go over here, click on add desktop app. Navigate to this PC, go to local this the Steam library, Steam apps common. Now from here you have to go to Mage Arena. You have to select this one and you have to add it. So just add it. So once you add it, once the Mage Arena is added, so if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the Mage Arena. Now expand this And now you have to set it to full blade. Windows decided to just change it into high performance, and you have to check that might work. Next one, try DX11 or DX12 in the launch option. So go over here in the Steam, and once you go to the Steam, you have to go over here, right click and go to the properties. Now, you have to go over here, right click and go to the properties. Now from here, you have to go to DX11 and you have to check with the key. If DX11 is not working, you have to try with DX12 and you have to check with the key. That might work. Next one is all about, we have to go over here. Then we have to try install the Microsoft Visual C++, which I have already demonstrated. And if you're using any unplugged external devices such as disconnect additional USB adapters connected to the PC, unplug hotas, wheels, pedals, or everything that is connected. And also you have to disable, this is very important, Steam overlay and close all the overlay applications like Discord, NVIDIA app, NVIDIA Shadowplay, etc. So you can also do all these things. You can just unplug it and you have to set. So just let me go over here, go to the game, right click and go to the properties. Now go to make sure this is turned off. And also, if any overtalking applications is running over here on your device, for example, if you go to the device manager, now you have to go over here and expand this. And if you, not this one, you have to go over here, right click and go to the task manager. And if you find overtalking applications like, Reboot, Runner, MSA, Afterburn, all this should be completely removed from here and you have to check. So these are the steps. And also last and least one, you have to go over here, right click and go to manage and uninstall the game. And to reinstall it back, you have to go over here, try install it not on this disk. You have to either try B or C and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.